This presentation is about Kami, how to use Kami for virtual learning and virtual teaching. You are going to log in into your account, your Google account, and once you are logged in, you are going to be able to use the Google Apps, and you are going to click on this waffle at the top right-hand corner. You're going to click it, you're going to scroll down, and you're going to find Kami. It's the blue circle with the K. You are going to click it. It's going to direct you to Kami. Once you are there, you are going to have several options open from Google Drive. If you already have something that you want to insert, open from computer, create classroom assignment, new blank page. So right now we are going to open a new blank page. So I am going to click that option, and you can say how many pages you want, or if you want a blank page, line page, grid page, music page. I am going to choose blank page. I am going to add that, and I am going to wait for the page to open. Once you are there, it is going to give you several options that you can use while you are teaching. At the top, it gives you the different options to share. It gives you a folder, the Zoom options. You can scroll down to see what percentages you want your file to come out as, or you can use the plus or minus sign. You have the open file, you have the different options, My Computer, Shared Files, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, and if you have any copies of recent files that you have used, they will come out here, and then your tracked copies. But these options are if you want to open something from your Google Drive or your Dropbox. This is your shared document. So this is how you upload the document if you want to share it or when you are ready to share it. You can print, you can save, you can download if you have any questions, and this is the menu. So in the menu, you have the option to split and merge document, scan PDFs, document properties, notification settings, create assignment, jump to page, restore annotations. So if there's anything you have deleted, you can restore it. You can rotate the file clockwise, counterclockwise. You can view the page as one or two page view, presentation mode, or if you have any comments that you have added to your document, you can hide the comments. Okay, so now we are going to go on to the next, to the left side toolbar. On the left side toolbar, you have the arrow, the little hand, or you can select annotations. So anything you want to use, you can click on it and it gives you the different options. Right now I have a trial, so that is why I can use the dictionary, the text to speech, signature, equation. But when your trial is over, you cannot use those tools unless you buy the license. So this is a dictionary. If there's a word that you want to find the definition for, you can use that, or your students can use this option. Text to speech, you can copy a file on here. Once you copy that file on here, it can read it to you automatically, and you can change the settings to any language. So you press play and then you change the voice to whatever language. If you want Spanish, you can have it read it to you in Spanish with Google Español. And then you can also change the speed. If you want it to read it faster or slower, you can change that option. You also have the markup, which is the highlighter, the box highlighter, the strike through, underline, or the different colors that you can choose from. And you also have more colors here. You can also add a comment. So if you want to say something on your assignment, you want to explain a certain area or part of the assignment, you can click on text comment, voice comment, video comment, screen capture, and you can also change the color. So you have all of those options um, of how you can communicate with your students. You also have the text box, and you can change the font size and the color as well. You have the equation, you can change the size, and you can also insert symbols. And these symbols have the plus sign, the multiplication sign, equal sign. So any sign you want, you can find it here. And you have music signs as well, or music notes. You have the drawing option, and you have the different colors. You also have the thickness of the stroke. So if you want it thicker, you want to draw something and make it thicker, you just change the size here and it tells you the thickness of the line or the stroke. Here you have the shapes. You can also change the size. You can make it transparent, and you have the different shapes. Insert a line. You also have the different colors. And you also have an eraser in case you want to erase something. You have an eraser. You have the option for image. In this option, you can insert whatever image you have in your computer, your Google Drive, if you want to search an image, you can go ahead and search it on Google search, and it will bring all the images that you look for. So you have those options. This window is going to give you the option to search. For example, if you are talking about the planets, then you just search planets and it'll bring up that option for you, or those images, and then you can insert them onto the file. So you have that, and you also have the signature. If you have a document that you have to sign, you can either upload the image if you have your signature saved onto your computer, you can draw it, or you can draw signature on phone and transfer it onto the document. On here, you also have just to move the toolbar to the other side, or if you want to keep it where they have it. Okay, so that is how you use Kami. You can also add more pages, and it'll tell you how many pages you have here down below. And I hope this was helpful, and I hope you can use Kami during your lessons.